Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today we're going to do another makeup and chat. Yes. And today it's snowing, so I'm really up early. I'm excited. So today we're going to do like a creative makeup look due to the snow. So I'm excited. We're going to play with some. I do have the questions. So let's get into it. Mwah!
Family, what? You and me will always be tied. Family every single day and night.
Let's get some tape. Okay. And my dog, she's in there sleeping, so we're gonna get a good, quiet makeup and chat sesh. Okay. I look crazy, I know. I already did like my base makeup, so we're just gonna get into the eyeshadow. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna get into it. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Let's do it to it. Do it to it. Okay. I'm a little scared, but that's okay. We're going to get into it. And we're going to get it done. Yes, it's going to be cute. Okay. So, we're going to start with some blue. Oh, no. Back it up. Let's do, I got to get the eyeshadow primer. Yo, I look incredible crazy. It's like the Incredibles, right? Okay. I think I need to pull this tape down some. There we go. I think this is it. Think about like right here. I think that's it. I don't have like, and we're gonna use what we have. Let's be inspired. Yes, you gotta work what you got, honey, to get what you want. No, I'm serious. Okay, hold on. Should I put another thing of tape right there? I'm gonna put another thing of tape so it won't fall off, you know? Hold on. There we go. It's gonna, I don't know how the eyebrows are sticking, honey. But this is gonna stay now. Yeah. Okay. I do have my, this is gonna be fantastic. We're going somewhere. So, then I'm gonna just take a brief look at the questions. Yeah, I don't know. I think I need to close them eyes too. Excuse me, your girl is burping. I ain't gonna lie. I was so full last night. Like I couldn't even go to sleep. That's why I woke up so early. Like I was so full last night. I think I've just been eating. I was so full last night. Okay, my nose is running. Let's get that. Is it just me or that makeup makes me sweat sometimes? It don't make me sweat, but under my nose, or when I do makeup, my nose be running. Is that, I think that is sweat, right? That's funny. Y'all, hopefully they just come out right. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's gonna come out right. Okay, let's just blend now at this point. It's gonna come out right. Okay. Let's just blend. It's gonna come out right. I'm not scared. Nothing is gonna be perfect. You have to make mistakes. And I'm so excited to be starting my YouTube journey. So excited to be starting my YouTube journey. Well, it kind of started in 2013. I made my channel. 14, posting here and there. Oh, not. That's wrong. I meant to say 2023. That's when I made it. And then 2024, last year. That was just a couple of weeks ago that I was posting a bunch of shorts. This year, 2025. Oh yeah, we going all the way, honey. We going all the way, honey. I want to do my neighbors. Do I get on my neighbors' nerves? I want to do I get on their nerves. Because I scream all day long. Like my dog barks all day long. I want to do we get on their nerves. Okay, I can say for the first part, it is looking crazy. We can agree, right? Freezeman. What is his name on Incredibles? The Freeze guy? Let me know down in the comments what's the Freeze guy name from Incredibles. Okay, so now let's get the colors. Let's get the colors. And then also I do have the questions here. So we'll talk about the questions too. Is on my iPad. That's why I'm looking. I need to find a way where I can sit it up so I don't have to look down, you know? I know y'all don't be wanting to see my head all the time. So it says, ooh, I like this one. I like this question. What's your advice for someone struggling with body image issues? I was watching this movie last night, and it goes perfect with the question. What's my advice regarding someone struggling with body issues? You are not your body. You are not your body. And learn to love everything about you and know that you are unique. Like, you don't want to look like everyone else. I don't want to look like everyone else, you know. It's hard, you know, to be the pick of the litter when you look like everyone else. I ain't trying to look like you ain't. And don't try to look like me, because it can't be happening. So that's my advice. You balance for maintaining your individuality in relationship. So, yeah, we're going to start with the blue. We're going to start with the blue. Oh, this about to be sick. This is about to be crazy. I dropped my iPad. I think I should have. That's okay. We're going to get it done. So I would say to maintain your individuality in a relationship is just continue to do your own thing. Like, when you get in a relationship, don't stop your routines, you know? Do not stop your routines. And then create routines for you and your partner to do together. You know? That's what I used to mess up at, for real. Like when I used to get in a relationship, like I would stop my routines, like just to try to like be more under them or around them, and just some clingy type of stuff. But I actually feel like it's healthy, like when you and your partner are both doing things and then y'all come together like at the end of the day or something like that, and then you can like tell each other about the day. We gotta push that down so it can make sense. Y'all tell each other about y'all day. I think that's sexy. So it's like, what you do today, babe? So I would say keeping your routines and then coming up with a routine that you guys can do together. Because once he leave, honey, the show don't stop. But we don't want that. We want to keep our man, right? If he want to be kept. You dig what I'm saying? If he want to be kept. You heard my dog? She's trying to make an appearance. Y'all say hey to my dog in the comments, so she can feel special, because she get on my nerves. No, just kidding. She do too much sometimes. I'm not even gonna lie. So we get in this little blue here. Do it match? Let me know down in the comments. Do it match? Talk to me. I'll talk back. Oh, behave. Shorty got a. I know that song? Okay, yeah. I don't know. I do know. I do know what's going on, but hopefully it comes out right. That's the whole thing about it. And then it's the second question is, look at me. I'm looking like Freeze Guy. I really want to, I'm going to Google his name. Y'all let me know down in the comments what's his name. So, do you think spirituality can connect people across different cultures and beliefs? Do I think spirituality can connect people across different cultures and different beliefs? Yes, of course. If they're pure. Because love is the ultimate connection. Yeah. And that was my affirmation word for last Monday was love. And if y'all don't follow me on TikTok, it's Tater Ruler 2. And I do like affirmation on my TikTok along with a little makeup. I'm looking for my other makeup brush. So far, I'm liking this. I'm not gonna lie. So far, I am liking this. Maybe because I just look cool with the tape and the blue right there. I don't know. So far, I'm liking it though. And the white in the middle is, I'm gonna do white in the middle. Yeah, I think this gonna be all right. If not, I'm gonna start over. Serious. I am serious. I think this gonna be all right. Carly. Every time my dog make appearance, y'all tell her hey in the chat. Cause so I know that y'all love us. Oh, y'all love us. That's funny, y'all. This tape keeps falling. Maybe I need to put another strip. What about another strip? If he keep acting up, I'm going to do another strip. Third question. Y'all, we're going to get this done. I'm so excited. Concealer or foundation, whichever. Y'all, I'm excited for this look. I'm not even gonna lie. Felt inspired today. I felt creative. Let me know what y'all feel inspired to do and creative to do down in the comments. Let me know. I would like to know. That's cool to share. Can makeup be used as a form of self-expression? What I'm doing now. I'm so excited. What I'm doing now, just expressing myself. I see that it is snowing outside, so I'm like, you know what? Let's do some snow stuff. Let's be creative. Pump it up a notch, you know? Pump it up a notch. Oh no, wrong one. Can you see the white? This is about to be crazy. Really cute. Hopefully it come out really cute. Fingers crossed. Nothing like you ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty. Y'all know that song? Let me know. Just adding some more here. What advice would you give women feeling stuck in their careers or personal growth? What advice would I give women that's feeling stuck in their careers or personal growth? I go out and see other women that inspire you. And then go do stuff to step out your comfort zone. Let's see, guys.
Just do what you wanna do, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna